Hi, in this video, we are going to see how we will use online client installer option in Seqrite Endpoint Security Cloud Platform. First, log into Seqrite Endpoint Security Cloud portal. Then in menu, come to deployment option, click on deployment. Once you click on deployment, it will give you different options under client installer. We had seen offline installer earlier in one other video. Now we are going to see online installer option. Click on create client installer option, and once you click on that, it will provide you one new dialog box, and there you can provide the installer name. So I'm giving it as test installer 1, and you can set as default group or any other group you had created earlier in EPS cloud. So I'm selecting default group now. Then for what operating system you want this, select that. So I'm selecting Windows here. Then it can be 32-bit exe or it can be 64-bit exe, or if you want to go for MSI format, you can select that. So now I'm selecting only exe 32-bit. Then if you want to include the antivirus setup in that, you can include that. Now I'm selecting yes for that. Then validity can be 30, 60, 90 days for this specific setup file. So after that, you cannot use it for installing the client. Then directory for installing it. So I'm just following with the default directory. If you want to change it, you can edit there. Then come to proxy setting. If you are using any proxy setting, then you can enable this as yes. Then provide the proxy IP address, port number, and authentication username and password there. Then next option, to avoid the unauthorized usage of this client installer, you can enable it with a password. So I'm setting a password over here. You can enter the password, repeat it there. Then click on create. Once you click on create, so I'm just disabling proxy option here. So as we enable it, then come down and again click on create. Then it will give you a message like the client installer has been successfully created. So click on OK, come down. These are the various online client installers available. So anytime you can use it and you can download it from here. So let's see where we can find the installer we created. Just go to the second page. So this is the installer we created, test installer 1. From this option, you can click on download and it will be downloading that setup file, and you can run that setup file in the respective systems that you want to install EPS client. That's it. And if you want to delete this entry, click on this option and click on delete, so that that online installer will be deleted from your cloud. That's it. This is how we are using online installer option for our EPS cloud product. Hope it's clear for all of you. Thanks for watching this video.